How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Dual Carbine series off-road light bars. Now, these light bars range in size from 7-inch to 50-inch units, and each size is offered in either floodlight optic or hybrid optic. Now, with our floodlight units, you'll notice your light bar will be fully floodlight optics, and with our hybrid units, you'll notice you'll have floodlight optics on the outside and spotlight optics in the middle of your light bar. And then each light bar will come included with your L brackets and hardware here, which I went ahead and pre-attached. And then you'll also notice on your wiring harness that you'll have your waterproof pigtail connector here going to your positive and ground cables. So I went ahead and brought a variety of sizes here. Now, our Dual Carbine series range from 12 LEDs pushing 2,280 lumens in our 7-inch model to 96 LEDs pushing 18,240 lumens in our 50-inch model, and then all of the other sizes in between. Now let's go ahead and hook up a floodlight versus a hybrid. So for example here, I brought our Dual Carbine 13-inch and our floodlight optics, and then here is our Dual Carbine 20-inch and our hybrid optics. Now with our floodlight optics, you'll notice that you'll get that wide spread coming off of your light bar, and then with our hybrid optics, you'll get that wide spread from your floodlight optics on the outside, and then you'll get that more focused spotlight beam on the inside of your light bar. When it comes to wiring your carbine, we offer our optional on-off switch here, which is a standard on-off toggle switch, or we offer our wireless relay here. And with our wireless relay, you'll also get your on-off switch, and then you'll get your wireless remote. Now with your wireless remote, you have your on-off buttons here, and then you do have a couple flash patterns you can activate off of your wireless remote switch here. So that covers our Dual Carbine series off-road light bars. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.